I wanted to let you all know that a lot of the books that I've been reading on this channel come from the New York Public Library. And recently, I found this cool form at the library. And I told them that I was looking for some new books, from diverse authors with pictures, short books that I could read in a short YouTube video about a variety of subjects, some fiction, some science. And when I came back to the library the next time, they had a bag waiting for me, and it was full of a whole bunch of books, most of which are really perfect for my channel, and you might have seen some of them on there. This came in its own bag that I got to keep. Also came with an extra backpack style bag and some silly putty or some kind of play stuff. And it came with a couple of masks, but those have already been taken out and used already. And it even came with this whole bag, which has some jelly beans and a little game, as well as this cool tool that I was really excited about, because I think it's made for measuring things. So I could measure, like, these cups, for instance. 1 7/8 of an inch wide. It actually came with, nope, that's not it, this little guide, Saturday Science Home Edition. And it talks about how to use that tool, some little activities. I think there's actually the jelly beans and little balls are for this game. So that's very exciting. I'm gonna break into that and have some fun with it while I'm in quarantine. This must be for that game. Oh, wait, is there something else? Oh, and some hand sanitizer to go with the masks, because it's important to have those things during these times. But I wanted to just let you know, give my thanks to the New York Public Library, and encourage you to take advantage of the library. If you don't know where that is, you can find it pretty easily. Just do a search online for the name of your city and state and public library. So I would say Public Library, New York, New York. And that would bring up the library's website, and you can usually sign up for an account on the website. The library is a great place to get not just books, but they also often have music CDs you can check out, movies, games, and activities, live book readings by people at the library, sometimes little workshops, even computer and internet access for people who don't have easy access at home. The librarians at your library can also help you find the resources that you need. So if you're interested in learning about something, or you want to hear a book about a particular topic, you can go and ask them and they'll help you find it. The library is an amazing resource, and I'm really glad that our society provides it. I pay taxes, and some of those taxes go to support the library. And for me, that is totally worth it, because it's a valuable resource for people who need it. So I encourage you to support and make use of your local public library.